What's up, guys? So, if you don't attend my session properly, if you don't answer my quizzes properly, questions and patterns properly, if you don't follow my briefs and works, I will call the police now. Yes, right now. So, here he is. Stop. Don't go outside. Do his work. Alright, so here we are. Today we with a new session. We call it a let's polish up your some basic tools and techniques so that we can work understand the flow charts, the works and the things. So today we're gonna make a mascot character that you can mm, clear your paint tool problems. Called in this entire software, the paint tool is the only tool who gives you the trouble, so that's the reason why I have kept this. So today I'm not complete make this character. I will create a small part of it, like half of it or three-fourth of it, so that you can understand. I took this image as for the color references. Fine, this image for is for the color reference, and this is the line drawing from a renowned artist who is a friend of mine on ArtStation. Yes, you can open your ArtStation account. So I have made him on ArtStation, and yes, I took his photo to show you the illustration. So here we are. So at first I gonna make his the face part only. How to be the pro with the paint tool. Look, I'm using the same thing as I shown you on my previous session. So please, but in this I will make the complete face. At first you have to create the silhouette. What is the silhouette? I'm showing you. Silhouette is something this. The entire outline portion. Fine. I have completed the shape. What I have to do? I will give a look. This I will call a silhouette. A shape. Right click, arrange, send to back. Don't do anything with that shape right now. What you have to do? Create the another shapes. Pen tool. Fine. Okay, I have done a mistake. What what is that? I don't need this. So I will select this, delete, select this, delete, delete, and again I will continue from here. Fine. So we'll select this. That's it. Now we'll make the middle shape. Silhouette means the block shape, the shadows. Silhouette means basically the light is behind your subject. That's we call a silhouette. Now see why I have asked you to do this. I will lock this object to that. I don't want my object to move. Lock, look, this is lock now. Right click, arrange, bring to front. I will select the entire, hold the shift, deselect this silhouette portion, right click, arrange, bring to front, hold this, we'll set the color, we'll hold this and set the color, hold this and set the color, we'll hold this and change the color to black. Fine. Again we'll select this, arrange, send to back. Why? To get the things. Now this portion, right? Okay. Again I will select all three together, arrange, arrange, bring to front, yes, we'll go to eyedropper. Now I need some shine over here. What I do, pen, fine. Now we'll select all together, right click, arrange, send to back. Within this part, Control Z, Fine. We'll select that. Eyedropper. Pick the color. We'll select all together. Right click. Arrange. Bring to front. Fine. Again we'll select together. Arrange. Send to back. The glasses we need, right? Pen tool. We'll select this together. Transform, reflect, vertical. Select them together, right click, arrange, bring to front. We'll select this. We'll select this. We'll select this, arrange, bring to front. Fine, again we'll select this, right click, arrange, send to back. Now it's time for the face. Look, this is the initial period of learning how to do the tracing and all, cause all these techniques will help you to guide to the next level. Look, doing the symmetry, it more look robotic, but doing the all the shapes gives you natural shape that yes, that guy have do the hard work. That's it. That's the difference between this two. Like I don't like talking while doing all this tracing work cause it's very concentrating work. But still, I have to do that just because of if you feel bored, then fine. I got the skin color. Fine. We'll add something. This will be a bit darker. This will be also darker. Fine. This will also darker. This part, I will make darker color. Fine. Select them all together, right click, arrange, bring to front. Can you see? In the end of the design, what you have to do, you have to just balance the shape, the curves, like this, That's called perfection. Fine. So yes, again you have to select all together, right click, arrange, send to back, the neck portion. Once I'm done with the neck portion, I will, cause I promise you to, I will complete that for giving you a brief example. Part 1, then this part, zoom it, huh? Alt, again this portion is left, and the last, fine. But I will select the color accordingly. This will be a lighter, this will be a more darker, this will be a more, and this is near to the neck. Fine, select them all together, right click, arrange, bring to front, arrange, send to back, select them all together, right click, arrange, front, control. Acha, I need to unlock object, unlock, look. Now you just need to manipulate the shape again, make them a proper end, give them a proper end. Fine. So I hope you understand. Again, for each and every single assignment, I will assign you a task, a new task that will give you a brief idea that, and you can send me the task that I can give you a good correction and a feedback that you can understand where you are standing presently. So bye bye. Thanks for attending this lovely session. Uh, in next session, we will learn how to play with the complicated shapes and the smooth shapes. All right. Bye bye, guys.